language, polite questions, and the other ones are called direct questions. We do not ask direct questions everybody. When you ask a question to a senior person or a teacher, you ask them the question in one way. If you ask the same question to a person of your own status or below your status, you ask the same questions in a different way. So the way you ask to senior people is the polite questions. But in our language, we learn it naturally. But English is a foreign language, so we have to learn how they ask polite questions. There are certain rules. We have to go by rules. For this, we have to learn the rules. Let us. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
What are there?
Polite question.
Still, see.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm changing. Oh, Gavalak. Excuse me. Okay, look at this screen. There are so many questions. Just follow me seriously, attentively. Will you help me? This is a direct questions. In English, there are three types of questions: direct questions, indirect questions, which are called polite questions, and the tag questions, which you have done in your SSC and HSC. Now we are dealing with the indirect questions, which are also called polite questions. Same thing, polite and indirect. The first question, will you help me? So this is a direct question. You will not ask the question to very senior people. I wonder if you can help me. যে আপনি কি আমাকে সাহায্য করতে পারেন? অর্থটা এরকম দাঁড়াবে যদি আমরা বাংলা করি। Are we near the airport? I'm not sure if we are near the airport. Suppose some people are traveling by a car and one of them is asking other people, are we near the airport? আমরা কি এয়ারপোর্টের কাছাকাছি এসেছি? So directly he or she is asking. But if you ask a senior person, you have to say, I'm not sure if we are near the airport. আমি বুঝতে পারছি না আমরা কি এয়ারপোর্টের কাছে এসেছি। তখন আশেপাশে যদি সিনিয়র পিপল থাকে তারা বুঝে নেবে যে তুমি জানতে চাচ্ছ। অথবা তোমার কাছে কেউ যদি এরকম বলে আই এম নট শিওর ইফ উই আর নিয়ার দ্য এয়ারপোর্ট, তুমি চুপ করে থাকলে হবে না, তোমাকে আনসার করতে হবে পোলাইটলি। আর দেয়ার এনি গুড রেস্টুরেন্টস নিয়ার বাই? আশেপাশে ভালো রেস্টুরেন্ট আছে? Can you tell me if there are any good restaurants nearby? So it is marked, I wonder, is a phrase, two words, is a phrase that begins a polite question or an indirect question, then I am not sure. This is another phrase to begin an indirect or a polite question. Can you tell me another phrase to begin a polite question? Then what time do the banks close? ব্যাংকগুলো কখন বন্ধ হয়? সরাসরি কাউকে জিজ্ঞেস করা যায়। But if you are polite in asking this question, you have to say, I don't know what time the banks close. তাহলে I don't know is a phrase also to begin a polite question. কেউ তোমার কাছে দাঁড়িয়ে বলল, I don't know what time the banks close. আমি জানি না ব্যাংকগুলো কখন বন্ধ হয়। তুমি এরকম বললে হবে না, তুমি জানো না আমার কি মনে মনে বলে চুপ করে থাকলে হবে না। You have to answer. You should understand that he needs your help, he or she needs your help. So it is a British or American culture. So when you learn a language, you have to learn their language, their culture also as far as possible. যতটা সম্ভব। Otherwise, your learning of the language will not be complete. Which hotel did you suggest? This is a past indefinite question and a direct question. So now you forgot. Somebody suggested that that hotel is very good. Now you forgot. If you ask him or her again, you should say, I'm sorry, but I can't remember which hotel you suggested. What is the population of the city? Do you have any idea what the population of the city is? You see? Do you have any idea? Then, is there any bank here? Can you go to bank আছে কি? Could you tell me if there is any bank here? Where are the best shops? ভালো দোকানগুলো কোথায়? Can you tell me where the best shops are? Could you tell me? Can you tell me? Both are okay. Where can I go for a walk in the morning? সকালে হাঁটার জন্য আমি কোথায় যেতে পারি? Do you happen to know where I can go for a walk in the morning? আপনি কি কোনোভাবে জানেন আমি কিভাবে সকালবেলায় হাঁটতে কোথায় যেতে পারি? Next. What do people do in the evening? লোকজন বিকেলবেলা কি করে? Is a direct question. I wonder what people do in the evening. Where was she born? May I know where she was born? Did he take breakfast? I don't know if he took breakfast. What did he eat? Could you tell me what he ate? Will you open the door? Would you mind opening the door? One thing more to notice. Will you help me? There is a question mark because this is a question. I wonder if you can help me. This is also a question, indirect question or polite question, but structurally this is not an interrogative sentence. So there is no question mark here. But according to meaning, this is a polite question or indirect questions. So if you see, some of them have question marks and some of them don't. Depending on, you see, second one. I am not sure if we are near the airport. There is no question. Question mark. Now number 3. Can you tell me? The beginning part is a question. and you have to make the last part an assertive sentence. If there are any good restaurants nearby, এখানে ছিল are there, এখানে কিন্তু there are হয়ে গেছে। You cannot say, can you tell me, are there any good restaurants? You cannot put two questions in one sentence. So, can you tell me if there are any good restaurants nearby? You have to put a question mark here because in the beginning you see, can you tell me? This is a clear question. Then number 4, I don't know what time the banks close. There is no question mark because in the beginning there is no sign of question. Now you see phrases or words to begin polite questions. Polite questions গুলো কি দিয়ে শুরু করতে হয়? Would you mind, আমরা দেখেছি এক জায়গায়, would you mind opening the door? Will you open the door? It's a direct question. You can ask anybody, but not to senior people. Or even sometimes you have to ask uh, people of your own age politely. Then I wonder, আমরা দেখেছি, I wonder if you can help me. I'm not sure if we are near the airport. Can you tell me if we are near the airport? Could you tell me? I don't know. We have seen everything over there. I'm sorry, but I can't remember. This is for the past. When you forgot something, you have to ask like this. I'd like to know. We have not seen an example like this, but it's very easy. I would like to know when the bank closes. আমি জানতে চাই ব্যাংকটা কখন বন্ধ হয়। I have no idea if there is a good hotel near our house. May I know what your name is? Is it possible for me to leave the office before 15 minutes? Does anybody know? কেউ কি জানে? Do you have an idea? Do you have any idea? মানে আপনার কোনো ধারণা আছে? Do you happen to know? আপনি কি ঘটনার চক্রে ঘটনাক্রমে জানেন? So these are the expressions you need to make polite questions. Now let us see. Okay. Adnan, can you make the first one a polite question?
May I know who is there?
Yeah, good. Okay. What is this? Another one? Ion, can you make a polite question? Okay, very good. In this case, oh, you have to change a little. May I know what this is? Okay. প্রথমটাকে বললে জানি who is there?
Adnan, sir.
Okay, can you say again?
May I know who is there?
Who is there তো হবে না. Who there is. Okay, next. Do you like it? Farhan, can you try?
Sir, I wonder if you like it.
Okay, I wonder if you like it. Okay, you have to change the rest of the for you. Okay. And then Remoy, can you try? Did you take breakfast? Anyone? Sudipto? There are many expressions. You can use anyone.
I wonder if he took his breakfast.
Good. Okay. I wonder if he took his breakfast. Zebin, is he coming today?
Yes, sir.
Can you make it
Would you mind telling me if he is coming?
today? You have to say today also, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have said, would you mind telling me if he is coming today? If he is coming today. Then, Sudipto, can you hear me? Sudipto,
Yes, sir.
can you answer the last one?
I do not know whether they are students.
Okay, good. I do not know whether they are students. I am not sure whether they are students.
Sir.
Okay, good. Then, who can answer this? How many people are there in Nepal? Try. Zebin.
I have no idea how many people there are in Nepal.
Good. Thank you so much. Okay, let us see one more example. Okay. The exercises given here can be solved using can you tell me or could you tell me? Okay. Given two ways only. So everybody should participate. So where does she play tennis? Adnan, use can you tell me or could you tell me, anyone?
Could. Could you tell me where does she play tennis?
No, you cannot say where does again. So there are two questions. Can you tell me where does she play? You cannot put two questions in the same sentence. You have to make the second part assertive. So what will be there? Zabin?
Can you tell me where she plays tennis?
Yeah. Adnan, have you heard?
Yes, sir.
So can you tell me where she plays tennis? Second part will be an assertive sentence, and in the beginning part there is a question, and you have to put the question mark also. Then second one, Ion. Ion, can you hear me? Does he live in Paris? Use can you tell me or could you tell me? না প্যারিস তো জানো আবার where কেন? Paris? Yeah, okay. Yeah, now it's correct. Can you tell me if he lives in Paris? Then Farhan, number 3.
Can you tell me if she is hungry?
Good. Can you tell me if she is hungry? Number 4, Mrimoy. Can you hear me? Mrimoy, are you joining from Dhaka? Mrimoy is keeping quiet. Why is he out of network? Sudipto, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Answer number 4.
Can you tell me what this is?
This is very good. Then Zabin again, 5. Do they work in
Can
Canada?
you tell me where they work in Canada?
No.
If they work in Canada.
Yes. So, where to জানতে চাইনি।
Yes.
কানাডায় কাজ করে কিনা সেটা জানতে চেয়েছি। So, say again.
Can you tell me if they work in Canada?
Good. Then number 6, Adnan again. Oh, I see there.
Can you tell me when John and Luke meet?
When John and
Luke meet.
okay, let me Arnab, then Tipu, Arnab, Tipu.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I see you join later. And
Yes,
then Hana. No holy. Pritam is there.
No holy mic problems.
Oh, আগে থেকে problem. Pritam,
Yes, sir.
Sifat.
Yes, sir.
And then Pradipta, Zebin. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 people. Good. Next number. So Adnan has said, can you tell me when John and Luke meet? Okay. Is he a lawyer? Arnab, can you answer? Can you make it a polite question?
Can you tell me if he is a lawyer?
Good. Can you tell me if he is a lawyer? Good. So auxiliary verb am, is, are, do, did এগুলো দিয়ে শুরু হলে if লাগাতে হবে after the primary phrase. Then is the lawyer finish. Number 8 হচ্ছে when is the party? Deepu, can you tell?
Can you tell me when the party is?
When the party is. Very good. Then number 9, Farhana.
Can you tell me if they often go out?
Very good. Then what does he do at the weekend, Pritam?
Can you tell me what he does at the weekend?
What he does at the weekend? Very good. Then, then Sifat, can you answer number 5?
Can you tell me if they work in Canada?
Very good. So you understand how to make polite questions. You can always manage yourself with please, yes, no, very good, thank you. But this is not the language of an educated person.
স্যার
Some people, yes.
স্যার স্যার আপনি বলেছেন স্যার এখানে ক্যান ইউ টেল মি অর কুড ইউ টেল মি যে স্যার করতে হবে স্যার কুড ইউ টেল মি কোনো এক্সাম্পল পেলাম না স্যার
Oh,
আপনি যেটা এক্সাম্পল দিয়েছেন
বা স্যার এটা স্যার কখন স্যার ইউজ করবো স্যার, মানে পাস্ট ইনডিফিনিট বা প্রেজেন্ট টেন্স বা যে কোনো সময় কি ইউজ করা যাবে? কুড,
যে কোনো
ওকে
could and can be used interchangeably. যে কোনো সময় ব্যবহার করা যাবে।
ওকে
Could you help me? Can you help me? একই অর্থ। Could এখানে মডেল ভার্ব, এখানে পাস্ট টেন্সের ব্যাপার নেই। ওকে, বলছিলাম অনেকে বলে যে ইংরেজি মোটামুটি বলে বোঝাতে পারলে হলো। This is applicable for the lower class people, those who are driving taxis, those who are working as salesmen in different shops. If you go to the Middle East, if you go shopping, you will see many Indian salesmen, Bangladeshi salesmen, Pakistani salesmen. They speak English, but their English is very, very low quality English. If you go to the Middle East, you will see many taxi drivers are from India, from Bangladesh, from Bahrain, from Iran, from Pakistan, Afghanistan, etc. They also speak English because people from different countries live there. So they also speak English, and their English is very, very low standard English. So their English and your English, as an engineer's English, should not be the same. Your English should be standard because you will have to interact with standard people in your professional life. So you have to try always to learn standard English. I hope you will be able to learn standard English. So you have done well. Oh, there are many. I thought there is no. Number 11. Number 11. Sifat, can you try number 11?
Yes, sir.
Try number 11.
Sir, can you tell me দিয়ে করব নাকি?
Yes, yes. Can you tell me? Could you tell me? Anyone?
Can you tell me if the children are on holiday this week?
Very good. Okay. Then Pritam, number 12.
Can you tell me who she is?
Very good. Then Nohali has problem. Okay. Then number 13, Farhana.
Can you tell me why you like traveling so much?
Why you like? Yes, very good. Then number 14, Deepu.
could you tell me if Lizzie like ice cream?
Lizzie like, correct? Lizzie is a third person singular. Say again.
Could you tell me if Lizzie likes ice cream? Sorry, sir, likes.
Likes হবে আবার বলো না থেমে
Could you tell me if Lizzie likes ice cream?
আরেকবার বলো
Could you tell me if Lizzie likes ice cream?
থ্যাংক ইউ সেভাবে বলতে হবে মাঝখানে থামা যাবে না Then number 14, are they from Chile or not?
Sir, 14.
14. No, sorry, 15.
Can you tell me if they are from Chile?
Good, very good. Then number 16, Jevin.
Can you tell me where the station is?
Very good. Then 16 is done. 17 for Sudipto.
Can you tell me where she studies Chinese?
Good, where she studies. Then Mrimoy, can you hear me? Is still outside.
Your mic may be
Mic
problem.
problem, okay.
স্যার ও
Then,
ঢাকার বাইরে তো নেটওয়ার্কেরও প্রবলেম হচ্ছে না
okay. Then number 18, where is the nearest supermarket? Farhan.
Can you tell me where the nearest supermarket is?
Very good. Then Oyon, 19. Very good. Then the last one, is Richard always late? Adnan.
Can you tell me if Richard is always late?
Very good. Okay. শেষ ভালো যার সব ভালো তার। So সর্বশ্রেষ্ঠ কারেক্ট হয়েছে, সবগুলোই কারেক্ট হয়েছে। I'm very happy with this class, today's performance. So I would like to finish here today. We will do another exercise, maybe 2 exercises in the next class. So আজকে এখানে শেষ করি। আল্লাহ হাফিজ। এরপরে ক্লাস আছে?
Yes, sir. CSC classes.
Okay, bye bye। 12 জন ছিল।